Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial on applied accessibility. And we're going to learn about the time element we have in HTML5. So we have the time element and we have the datetime attribute. And we use this to standardize times, and it helps with assistive devices because they can recognize these elements and attribute so they can help people see what's the date, what's the time for you to understand. So we can just wrap, and here's the syntax for it, where here's the paragraph, and then we have a last Wednesday, and then we have this time tag with the date, closing it as well. So we want to wrap a time tag around the text Thursday, September 15th. So here we see this paragraph, and now we see a date here. So we want to add a time tag, time. And then we have an attribute of a date time equals, simply copy that. And now we close the time tag. And that's it for this one. Thank you so much.